Hello there. Today I'll be showing you my Code Olympics Season 6 project in Python. So first, we have to import all the modules that we're going to be using in this program. Then we have to initialize some variables like the recognizer for the microphone and the engine for the TTS. So here's the menu and it's telling you what you can do, and then it asks you what you want to do. So if you say 1, then then you want to say a word and it will give you a description of it. So the way you do that is that we will record what the person says using this line of code here. It will analyze that, and then it will put what word you said into Wikipedia and get it up, and then it will print that, and it will also say that out loud using the TTS. And so if you want to do answer number 2, so you want to know the time, then it will get your local time, it will rearrange it in hours, minutes and seconds, and then it will tell you the current time. And if you want to use a translator, then you can pick what language you want to translate it to, and it will also put it here so you know which language you're doing. And then it will record you here, it will analyze what you just said, and it will put the language that you just said that you wanted to translate to here, and then it will actually translate it to that language. And then it will print the text, print what you said, and also the translation of that, and it will say it out loud. Okay, now we have finished going through how the program works, we will now go through the actual program. We'll actually run it. So here's some things that you can ask. So we'll do number 1 first. Game.
A game is a structured form of play, usually undertaken for entertainment or fun, and sometimes used as an educational tool. Many games are also considered to be work, such as professional players of spectator sports or games, or art, such as jigsaw puzzles or games involving an artistic layout such as mahjong, solitaire, or some video games. Games are sometimes played purely for enjoyment, sometimes for achievement or reward as well.
So I just did that to show that it can be any random example and 90% of the time it will work. And then next you need to do the time. So
the current time right now is 14 hours 7 minutes and 47 seconds.
So that tells you the exact time. And then if we do the translator as well, we'll translate to Russian. Hello, my name is, and then it gives you there in Russian characters. And then if we just want to quit out, then we can quit. And so now I'm just going to show you how you can install it, because you can take this code from the description, but if you just put it in the IDLE, then it won't work. You have to open the command prompt using this, and then you have to click run as administrator, and then once you've got that open, you need to do pip install speech recognition. As you can see, I've already installed it, so I don't need to do that again. And then we need to do pip install PyTTS x3, and it's already done, so you need to do that yourself as well. And then you need to do pip install the Wikipedia. So it's already done on mine. And then you need to pip install PyAudio. And so it's already done. So if you do all of those, then it should work. Yeah. Oh, you also I forgot to say that you need to do pip install the translate. And there we go, it's already done. So that is all you need to do in order to get the program to run. Thank you for watching.